Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace or change elements in a photo with Magic Edit in Canva. 1. Insert the image you want to edit. 2. Make sure you've marked the image. 3. Click on Edit Photo in the menu. 4. Choose Magic Edit. 5. Mark the area you want to replace or change. 6. Click on the Continue button. 7. Describe what you want to change with the edit. 8. Click on Generate. When finished, you'll get 4 samples to choose from. Choose the one you're happy with and click Done. If you're not happy, then click on Generate New Results. If you want to do more edits, just do the same steps. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.